professional teacher, and she needs to take license and car.
And certificates.
Yes. So we went to that reason to Cebu
Cebu for 1 day.
for 1 day. We expected maybe more days, but we quickly changed our plans and stayed only 1 day.
Yes.
How good, but it was very fast. Everything very fast. We have had no time for staying together in room. We stayed in room only 30 minutes. Wash and go to and later very quickly take bags. No time. And now we again in ship. We have here beds, but it's very public place. Very public. We are afraid of kissing even here. I forgot to press. I forgot to press recording. Love, what are you doing? What is this?
Meal.
Okay. Very
Don't
good.
forget to press.
Very good. If you want to record, you need to press. Don't forget to press.
Gandang araw! So today nga ay balik na kami sa Masbate, namamaos pa nga. Balik na nga kami sa Masbate kasi tapos na yung task namin sa Cebu. Nung papunta kami sa Cebu, may lagnat ako. Ngayon naman, masakit naman yung tiyan ko. Diba hindi na talaga nawala ng sakit tong taon na to. Napaka-arte naman talaga. Kaya wala akong ganang kumain. Pero kasi may makulit tayong kasama. Kaya sabi ko yung cup noodles na yung kakainin ko. Kasi mainit. Tapos feeling ko mawawala yung sakit ng tiyan ko niyan. Ayan. Mili na kami for 40 pesos I think.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Night was very cold, so we created like box. And windy, so we built this box and stayed inside. Not so windy.
Very resourceful.
Yes, and it was very cold at 3 a.m. Now it's much better. Now it's about 7 morning. And we have roaster here very close. You hear it. It's very convenient because
It's alarm.
alarm hour, yes, very good. Started at maybe 5 p.m. To alarm. Very good. And we feel very tired because this is me. Beautiful taste. And this is view of sea. I'm now recording because we don't have video, but we need to post something. So we still sitting here in this box in ship, and my wife requires video, so I am now just recording. She feels not good because masakit here. And I feel not sleep.
Masakit here.
And masakit here. I asked wife to help, but
so public.
but in public wife cannot help.
This is not for kids talaga. So ito nga yung female comfort room ng Ko Shipping Lines. Diba maganda, tapos yan ako nagmamaganda. Masakit pang tiyan yan ha. Pero go lang, wala kayong paki dyan. Ipapakita ko din sa inyo yung loob ng kanilang comfort room. So ayan, comfort na comfort ka talaga dyan. Malinis at maganda, aesthetic. Kung inayos ko na nga yung pagmumukha ko dyan.
So we are almost at our destination, Mobo Port, and soon we'll go from ship.
And here we are, nasa Mobo, Masbate na kami. And tinanong nga ako ng asawa ko bakit daw yung mga barkong yan ay nandyan. Bakit hindi sa Masbate Port? Ewan ko din. At At baba na nga kami ng barko. Tapos sobra naman talaga yung init. After bumaba ng barko, kailangan mong maglakad. Kasi hindi ka naman Disney princess be. Magsa-summer na talaga kaya yung init grabe. Sumakay na nga kami sa tricycle. Ewan ko din sa mga tricycle dito bakit hindi sila nabiyahe pa city. Kasi yung green na to, dito lang sila. Tapos need na ulit naming mag-transfer sa isa pang tricycle. At ito na yung yellow tricycle na makikita mo sa Masbate City lamang. Char. Nung unang beses nga na pumunta dito yung asawa ko, sobrang amazed siya sa tricycle. First time niya kasing makakita ng tricycle. Anyway, si kuya nga pala, pinapalitan niya yung 1K kasi wala siyang panukli. Diretso na pala kami sa terminal. Of course, unang-una ko talagang hinahanap na bus ay ito, yung Mary Grace Transport. Kasi nasusuka talaga ako sa van.
Hi. Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my Money. Pera.
Pwede 20.
20.
20.
For 20 for what?
20.
Okay, one.
120. This
No,
one.
this one.
Patubig ka mo, ma'am? Tubig?
May, ay,
May
Ay,
buko
hindi
juice,
na
ma'am.
po. Ano na po, ginakalintura ko sa buko juice.
And of course, di talaga mawawala to sa akin. Kasi napaka-refresh sa biyahe. Kailangan ko to. Yan na nga yung pinabalat ko niyan. Kasi wala, gusto ko lang. Tapos sana all no. Walang ka-pimple. Actually, sanay na siya sa lasa niyan. Kasi meron naman sila niyan. Ako lang talaga tong parang si OA. Tapos yan ako, after long trip, halata naman na stress na ako dyan. Tumubo pa ngang malaking pimple sa noo. Tapos, nandito na kami sa Aroroy. At tingnan nyo naman yung ulap na yun. Grabe na talaga yung pagsubok. Kitang-kita sa mukha ko dyan. Nag-worry nga ako dyan kasi tingnan nyo naman. Grabing ulan yan after. Tapos isang sakay pa papuntang Barangay Puro. So, hindi na kami nakapag-video. Yan lang. Thanks for watching.